Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you're having a great day. I'm Mike at I Create Pixels and I help people to learn Photoshop. Today I will show you 5 pro tips in Photoshop that will help you so that you can work smarter and not harder. Number 5. Working with guides. Did you know that you can use guides to easily set up a center point in your document? By going in View, New Guide, you can click a horizontal or vertical guideline and you can add the center point by adding a percentage. 50% is the middle, and then you can just move this and see it snaps to the middle. Let's see if this one. Things were not aligned in the center, and by putting out a new guide with a 50%, you can easily snap it to the middle. Maybe you need to have a 10% safe area, super easy to set up. You can set up vertical guides, maybe it's 10% cut off from left and right. Yes, go like this, View, New Guide, and then you go 90%, that's a 10% to the right. Now you have just set up a 10% margin to the left and to the right and to the top, and also put out the middle guideline. If things don't get snapped, you can just turn it on and off by using the snap to guides or layers or document bounds. Number 4. Did you know that you can use Shift to drag layers between one document and the other? Let's say we're working on some Facebook post. We set up these layers and we want to have them exactly like this, and we want to make new documents each week or so. And for this technique to work, both documents has to be in the same size. You can simply just select this one, and in this case these two. I want to have them the same. So by holding Shift and mouse click and drag them to this document, it ends up in the exact same position. You can also move a folder. You can simply just select the folder, hold Shift and drag it to the document, and it ends up in the exact same position. Number 3. Working with smart object. If you're not sure what the smart object is, then this is the tip for you. Let's say we want to place these flowers inside a frame. I'm just going to copy and paste these flowers inside the folder. There's a mask that will mask it inside the frame. Now, let's say we don't know how big we want them flowers to be. Maybe we want them to be really small. A little stamp. There's a stamp. Oh, then you change your mind. Maybe not. You're not sure about the size. You scale things up. Now, what you did now is that you will lose a lot of information. The photo gets really blurry. If you would have been pasting this one and then convert this layer that you're not sure of the size to a smart object. Let's do this by right clicking, convert to smart object. Now we get this little icon on the layer showing that it's a smart object. Now we can transform this any size we want and the information won't get lost. We can scale it up and down, and as you can see it stays the same because the original file is still here. You can still access it by double clicking the smart object, and you can see the high res that you pasted in, which you can't if you just would have pasted it without converting it to smart object. Really nice way if you want to change your mind later on and transform the layers again. Number 2. Creating mockups. Let's say you're working on this web design. It's mainly for mobile, and then it would be really great to see how it would look on mobile. In this case, I just downloaded this awesome image. I'll put a link below. And let's make a connection and place this PSD file inside the phone, and as soon as we are changing anything on this file, it will update on the screen. So just select this image, go to File, and the place linked. If you place embedded, it won't update, but if you place the linked, it will keep the connection, and as soon as you update in this document, it will show up in this. We can just simply drag this and scale it. This is also a nice way of showing your work to clients, or just get the sense of the scale. Now, whenever I edit this one, let's make this, maybe it's bold, maybe it's a different color. I'm just working on this one. And then I just click File, Save, or Control S or Command S. Now it's automatically updated in my mockup. Super nice way of creating a mockup, and it's super easy. Number 1, the instance window. Did you know that there's a feature in Photoshop called the instance window? It's under Window, Arrange, New Window, and then it's your document name. In this case, new window for dogflower.psd. If I click this, you get 2 windows for the same document. You can, in this window, work really zoomed in, maybe tweak some details, tweak the shadows, while also looking at the overall picture zoomed out. Maybe it's easier to work with the bigger details in this one. Bonk. Nope. Can I do that? Yeah, this is a really weird example, I know. I just couldn't find anything else at the moment. Sorry about that. So, maybe you want to tweak the shadows and details here. Yeah, it's like this, yada yada. Painting a bit. Blurring it out. Yeah, like this. And then you see, yeah, looks weird. But in this case, that's fine. You can actually add several different copies of the same window, like this. You can have as many as you want. It's kind of cool, but more than 1 or 2 extra is kind of too much. And that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Photoshop, check out my other videos too. I'm Mike and I create pixels, and thanks for watching this video.